Hey, welcome back everybody to our light side. Um, Thank you for visiting with me today. Today we're going to be making um, fried plantains. These are the green ones that come single. And they're green with, they're not ripe, and they have a very thick peel. Do not get these mixed up with the smaller green ones that have a thinner green peel. Um, so what I did was I peeled them, I sliced them diagonally. I've got one here I haven't done yet, so we're going to slice this one. Give me a sec. Alright, got my knife here, and what we do is we're going to slice this diagonally. Not too thick, not too thin, because we're going to fry these twice. Now, I'm sorry, excuse me, my voice again. I'm still recovering from that sinus infection. But these are also called plantains. I'm sorry, plátanos in the Hispanic culture, and they're also called tostones. So, alright, so there we are. We're going to add these over here. And we're going to fry them first. Let's see if the oil is ready. Okay, there we go. And again, like I said, we're frying these twice. Right? After they're fried once, we're going to take them out. And we're going to flatten them. And there are many different ways of flattening them. There are these little boards that you can put together, press together and flatten them, or growing up, my mother would use paper bags, because back then the grocery stores gave out paper bags for your groceries, so she would bring them home, you know, they were clean. She would fold them and fry them once. Once you fry them, they get a little bit softer because they get cooked halfway. You take them out, you put them between, sandwich them between the paper bag, and press down. You could press down with a saucer, something that's flat in the bottom, a pan, or your hand if it's not too hot. Alright, I'm going to be using wax paper to sandwich them between the wax paper sheets. Hopefully this will hold up. Let me see, I think I have to raise the fire here. It might be a little bit too low. Alrighty. I'm gonna let that go for a while. And also, some people just like a little sprinkle of salt on their plantains because they're bitter. They have so what you can do is when you flatten them, you put them in here. You're gonna sprinkle some salt on them. If you don't want the salt, you can I like to use a little bit of adobo on some of them sometimes. Other times I like to use other seasonings. I like to use my chicken, rotisserie chicken seasoning. And other times I like to use my church seasoning. This has a little bit of a spicy kick, and that's why I like it. So you do that, you spray some of the seasoning on it. You flatten it, but I'm not going to do it with my hand because they're probably going to be very hot. So I'll be doing them with a flat surface. You remove it, set them aside when you're all done. Then you put them back in the pan to fry them a second time. And what that does is it finishes cooking them off, because you don't want that raw taste in the middle. Okay, so we're gonna let this go for a little bit, and then we'll be back. Okay guys, so we're turning them over so they can be cooked evenly on both sides. And we left those there for about 4 minutes. Medium heat, medium to high heat. Gonna turn them over, leave them again about 3 or 4 minutes. Okay, and we'll be back. Okay guys, we're back. I'm gonna remove these plantains and we're gonna place them to drain on a paper towel. But this is what I like about frying the oil all over the place. It's like a nightmare. But hey, sometimes we gotta do it. We want something, we're in the mood for something, we wanna eat something like fried plantains. Gotta do it. No other way around it. Alright, so let me turn this off. There you go. And again, excuse my voice. This sinus infection should be hopefully gone by the end of the week. Alright, so we mentioned the seasonings. I'm going to use, oh, and I forgot I wanted to use this plate. Let's see, what else can we put these on? All right, we'll get, all right, we'll put them over here. Okay. Okay, we got our wax paper. Make sure you can see that. We're gonna take, let's use the poultry seasoning first. I'm gonna put a little bit on the paper. And try not to use a lot because it's salty. A little bit on top. And I'm gonna press down. Oh, I wish I hadn't used this saucer. I'm gonna press down. Try not to get it too flat. Okay, there we go. Let's do another one. You could, or you could just season it on one side. Depends how you like it. There you go. Okay, let's use the jerk seasoning now. Let's move this. Okay, no need to make them too flat. The ones with jerk seasoning, let me make sure I put them, I separate them because someone else is going to be eating of these and they don't really like spice. So we'll separate those. Okay, and then I'm going to make some with adobo. Okay, let's do one more. You got the idea. I remember which is the spicy ones. Oh my goodness. I'll never hear the end of it. I think, let's see. I think it's these three over here. Let me put them over here. Okay. All right, when I'm all done, we'll come back. Okay, guys, we're back. So I put the oil back on. I finished flattening all of the plantains. I'm putting them in. Okay, this is the second fry. And it's going to go fast because it's already been cooked once. You don't want to leave it in there too long. I'm trying to put them all in at the same time so I don't have to do 2 batches. Okay. Okay, let's clean up. Let's turn them over. Okay, we're gonna put down some paper towel. Let's see, so we can drain them a little bit. Okay, that should be good enough. Let's start to take them out. Take the smaller ones out first. And then I'm turn this off. Take that little one out. Okay, we're done. Oops, that one was trying to escape. Okay, there we go. Fried plantains. Okay, let's taste one. They're still very hot. They're just finished frying. We can taste one. And I could taste the seasoning that I put on it. I could have put a little bit more. As a matter of fact, and you got them. So I can add a little bit more. There we go. Just a little bit more. Now, I forgot to mention, you can use your own seasoning. You have any other seasonings at home that you like? You have curry, ginger, paprika, whatever seasonings that you really like that you have at home. Try those. Experiment with those. You might find something that you really like. If you've got garlic, oh my goodness, that would have been great. Maybe I'll make another video using garlic. If you like garlic, powdered garlic, or an oil-infused garlic would have been nice. You pour it over it. Or if you had onion powder, that would have been very good too. Okay, let me just taste one more. Very good. So guys, if you like the video, give me a thumbs up. If you don't like plantains, give me a thumbs up anyway. If you feel I did a good job demonstrating how to make the plantains, subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. And it was nice seeing you back on LR Light Side. Bye-bye.